How to unhide post on Facebook timeline. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you to unhide post on Facebook timeline. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch your Facebook applications on your device and sign into your account. Tap three-line icon at top right corner of the screen. Scroll down. Tap Settings and Privacy and select Settings. Now on this page, you need to scroll down and locate your activity section where you need to tap on Activity Log. Now once this section opens at the top left corner, tap on Archive button. And here you will see all your archive posts that are hidden posts from your Facebook timeline. So in order to unhide this post and unarchive this post from your Facebook timeline, you can tap on the three dots at the of each post, and after that you need to tap Restore to Profile. And once you do that, to confirm, you need to tap on Restore, and then it will be seen by the audience that was selected before they were moved to Archive. Once you do that, you will successfully unarchive post on Facebook timeline. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos.